And, well, we can pretty much agree that the Celtics lost. That did happen. What else do you have to add to this, Mr. James?
Man, look here. All through the season, we saw Celtics not being able to close games out. We saw when Tatum wasn't on a tear, nobody else could even get anything going. So we come to terms in the playoffs when the heat goes hotter in the kitchen, folks start running out.
They start getting out the kitchen.
They get out the kitchen. So
Get out
Game
the kitchen.
7 showed a great.
It's kind of hot in here.
Showed a great anatomy of just that. That